Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, how fix this problem where task manager see this HDD drive where I use SSD Drive. I search in Google and yes, that I realized that's working. Fix this problem. Then I search start menu and I found this program. Nothing. I use not this program, but that this option is in my BIOS. Wi-Fi BIOS. I wait to enable this option, but I have disabled this option and I select advanced and I disabled this option inter speed shift technology. Then going to save and exit, save changes and reset. And yes, that's working for me. I hope this video helped for you, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in next time in the next video. Goodbye.